All right, so we are going to solve this now. If 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32 and log x to the base of y is equals to 2. So solution, we have 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32, and we also have sorry we have log x to base y is equals to 2. So let's label this as equation 1 and equation 2. Then we have to simplify the two equations. Now let's take equation 1. So equation 1, we have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32. We all know that 32 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So let me replace 32 with 2 to the power of 5. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 2 to the power of 5. So 2 cancel 2 because they are having the same base. So therefore 2x minus 3y is equals to 5. Then on the other one, from equation 2, we have log x base y is equals to 2. So therefore x is equals to y square, converting it to indices form. Index form. So from there, let me combining equation 1 and 2. Combining equation 1 and 2, we have 2x minus 3y is equals to 5, equation 1. We have x is equals to y square, equation 2. Now, we already have the value of one of the variable. X to be y square. So that makes it easier for us to substitute y square for x in equation 1. So substitute y square for x in equation 1. So what this is a simultaneous equation. So let's solve it. So equation 1, let's write equation 1. We have 2x minus 3y is equals to 5. So x is equals to y square. So x is equals to y square. So anywhere I have x, I will put y square. So I have 2 bracket y square minus 3y is equals to 5. So 2 times this, that's 2y square minus 3y is equals to 5. Take 5 to this side, then we have 2 square minus 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. So this gives us a what? A quadratic equation. So let's solve this quadratic equation using factorization method. So by method of factorization, I will multiply the constant here, minus 5 times 2. So I have minus 5 times 2 to give me negative 10. Factors of negative 10, we have plus 5 times minus 2 we have minus 5 times plus 2. So I will take any of these that I can add together to give me negative 3. So plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3. Plus minus 5 plus 2 is negative 3. So I will replace minus 3 with minus 5y and plus 2y. So let's do that. 2y squared minus 5y plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. So I group them, put them in groups like this. And I have what's common here? Y is common. So if y is common, y is my common factor, then 2y squared divided by y, I have 2y. Then y divided by minus 5y, I have minus 5. And I close my bracket plus what's common here? 1. Then I have 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. So take we have two common factors here, 2y minus 5, 2y minus 5. So what is outside the bracket here is y plus 1 bracket 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Then I will equate each of these brackets to 0. Y plus 1 is equals to 0. Then y is equals to 0 minus 1. Then let me continue here. All right, so therefore y is equals to negative 1. That's the first value of y from here. So we have 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Then 2y is equals to, take 5 to this side, then we have 0 plus 5, that is 5. Then 2y on this left hand side. Divide both sides to get our y. Divide both sides by 2, the coefficient of y. So we have 2y divided by 2 is equals to 5 divided by 2. 2 cancel 2. Then we have y is equals to 5 over 2. We have two values for y. So therefore, y is equals to negative 1 or 5 over 2. All right. So therefore now we can substitute we take them one after the other to get the value of x. So we can substitute minus 1 for y in equation 2. So what's equation 2? X is equals to y squared. So therefore x is equals to, and when y is equals to negative 1, x is equals to negative 1 squared, and that's 1. Then x is equals to y squared. When y is equals to 5 over 2, that means that x is equals to 5 over 2 squared. And we have 5 squared is what? 25. And 2 squared is what? 4. All right, so those are also the values. Therefore, x is also equals to 1 or 25 over 4 or 25 over 4. So therefore, we have x1, the first x to be 1, and the first y1, to the first value of y is negative 1. Then x2, the second value of x is 25 over 4, and the second value of y is 5/2. So now let's check if our answer is actually correct. If our answer is actually correct, let's slot in those values for for x and y respectively. So we have our equation, our two equations to be 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32. That's equation 1. We have log x to base of y is equals to 2. That is equation 2. So let's substitute in equation 1. Let's substitute. So equation 1, now let's pick equation 1 and substitute the values of x and y. So we have 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32. So we have um, x to be our x, the first x1 is 1, and y1 is -1. So we have 2 to the power of 2 bracket 1 minus 3 to the bracket minus 1 is equals to 32. So 2 times 1 is 2, negative times negative is positive, 3 times 1 is 3, and that is 32. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So 2 to the power of 5 is also 32. So 32 is equals to 32, which means that what is on the left hand side is equals to what is on the right hand side. Then the second value of x, the second value of x is 25. So let's put that in the equation. We have 2 to the power of 2x minus 3y is equals to 32. Then if our x is 25/4 and our y is, that's the y2 now, is 5/2. Let's put that in one after the other. So we have 2 to the power of 2, where our x is 25/4. Then close your brackets. We have 3 to the power 3. Then y is 5/2. Then is equals to 32. So 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So we are 3 times 5 is 15. So 2 to the power of 25/2 minus 15/2. That's equals to 32. So this is having the same denominator, so I can say 25 minus 15. So 2 to the power of 10/2 to be equals to 32. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 32, and 32 is equals to 32. So what is on the left hand side is equals to what is on the right hand side. Now that has satisfied the first equation. Let's take the second equation, which is log x base y is equals to 2. So the first x is equals to, the first value of x is 1 and y is -1. So therefore I have log 1 -1 is equals to 2. Convert it to index form. Y -1 square is equals to 1. Negative 1 squared is 1 is equals to 1, and therefore we have what is on the left hand side is equals to what is on the right hand side. Now, for the second value, of x and y, the second value of x and y, we have log x to base y is equals to 2, x2 is equals to 25 over 4, y2 is equals to 5 over 2. So log of x is 25 over 4, then 5 over 2 is equals to 2. So which means that 5 over 2 squared is equals to 25 over 4. 5 squared is what? 25 over, then 2 squared is what? 4. That's 25 over 4. So what is on the left hand side is equals to what is on the right hand side. Thank you.